Hello friends, I am Sudipto and today I am going to show you about assignment operators and how can we use it. So I am going to show you through a program. Now you can see that hash include stdio.h I have written, and then void main, and I am going to take a variable integer a and b, though I need only a. So I am assigning a equal to 10, and you can see that a equal to a plus 5 I have written. So what it will do, firstly I have already told you in previous videos that the execution will be start from right to left. So first it will calculate, or compiler will calculate a plus 5. So a value is 10 and 10 plus 5 equal to 15, so it will be calculated 15, and then 15 will be assigned in a again. This will overwrite a, like that's not that a already is 10 and then a will be 15, 10 and 15 both will be assigned. It is overwritten, like if a equal to 10 first and then we will do a equal to a plus 5, so a plus 5 is 15 and then 15 will overwritten in a position again. So now a is equal to 15. So firstly a was 10 and after a plus 5 we will do a equal to a plus 5 means a is now 15. So equal to is assignment operator, we already have seen it on previous video. Now I am printing the value firstly, and after a equal to 10, and then I will print the value after a equal to a plus 5. So what it will have to print 10, and as I am writing backslash n in the next printf, so it will print 15 in the next line. So 10, and in the next line it will print 15. Now we have to save it, and I am giving the name of the program 5, and now we will run it. You can see that value of a is equal to 10 and value of after summation with 5 is 15. So a is already overwritten, so now a is equal to 15. Now I will show that other assignment operator how it works, like plus equal to. So what it will do, if we write a plus equal to 5 in space of a equal to a plus 5, it will do the same functionality like what we have written before, a equal to a plus 5. Now what we are writing, a plus equal to 5. Now I am executing, you can see this, the value are same. So equal to 10 and it's printing a equal to 15 after summation of 5. So a plus equal to 5 and a equal to a plus 5 will do the same functionality. Like if we do a equal to a minus 5, you can see value of a is equal to 10 and after the value is 5 because it 10 minus 5, and if I do a minus equal to 5, it will do the same functionality, so that it is working. And now if I do a equal to a multiplication 5, it will 5 into 10 equal to 50. So first it will print 10 and then it will print 50, you can see. And if I do now a star equal to 5, it will do the same functionality as a equal to a star 5. As same it will do for slash equal to. If we write a equal to a slash 5, then it will show 10 in first line and then it will show 2 in first line, as 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, or a divided by 2 is equal to 5. And if I do a slash equal to 2, it will do the same functionality as a equal to a slash 2, that you can see value of a is 10 and after the value is 5, because 10 by divided by 5 is equal to 2. So that's the program runs, and that assignment operator is working. You can use it anywhere, whenever you want, wherever you want. So it is a short process of, as we are writing a equal to a slash 5, so we can minimize it with writing a slash equal to 5. So that it is working. So this is assignment operator. So that is for today. If you like my videos and if you learn something from my videos, you can subscribe my channel, follow my channel for coding from basic. You can learn coding in C language absolutely. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends who want to learn coding. Thank you very much.